What's going on, everybody? So, today on my page or whatever, it's supposed to be on Facebook, but I'm doing YouTube first, so I don't have to do two videos. Alright, so, anybody has a car like this, 2001 Ford Mustang V6. I've heard of this problem a little more common on V8s, not really the V6. But needless to say, got a misfire code for cylinder number 4. Smacking my head at this thing, thinking, okay, it's time for plugs, coil. Coil's never been replaced, at least since I've owned it. Motor has been rebuilt, but there are some things I didn't need to change because they weren't broken. So, really regretting that now. So, did everything from coil, wires, plugs, nothing made a difference. Brand new plug. The wires are fine. They're dirty, but they're fine. There's no crossfire through like the insulation or anything. As you can see, yeah, it's been sitting more than it's been used. I used it for a week, and all of a sudden, trying to find a misfire. And sure shit enough, finally do a compression test. Turn around. And this is what I find. I don't know if you can see that. Broken exhaust valve spring. So, if anybody's scratching their head with a similar problem and can't find their misfire, don't replace fuel injector and everything. Don't make the mistake I did. Use a compression tester, figure it out. If it's showing you 30 pounds or less at idle, it's no good. Alright.